The sub 9.
Yeah.
That's actually crazy.
API will loads running out.
I don't have Daybreak for final, which now might mean I'm cooked, but I can just manually swap it. Try to check my loadout if I remember.
Yeah, easy enough.
Man, I'm so hyped. I'm also so sad this week that I didn't clear Trio Flop Pantheon, bro. I'm actually hella annoyed at that.
Trio Nez might actually be like, just like a CP.
Yeah, I know for sure. I mean, like, I don't know. I somehow don't like... I only like playing this game when I'm clearing stuff, you know? Get that dopamine. Dude, I can't believe I made it to final, Quizzy. And I wiped it. But, I mean, to be fair, I had no ammo and no abilities. And no bracers.
Shit's hard, man.
You reckon you could swap to solar when going for 5 out of 6 in the portal?
Yeah, that's not really good.
Because then you'd have your melee already, no?
Yeah. Not really.
But that's smart.
I mean, it is.
Look, you might not. Are you willing to let me go?
Yeah, go on.
Anti-Praetorian on that loadout, so you get your super early, so you can get rid of a few champs really easily at the start. Hey?
What if I told you I was already running super?
Fuck. Remember when Ignitions killed the dude also? I wonder if there would have been an easy way to do that. Wait, the artifact mod, Rays of Precision. Lock in. Alright. Easy. Nice. Oh my fucking god, Lucy. Let's fucking go.